Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you a cool Switch 2 feature that lets you have your controller make a beeping sound if you need to find it. So this is useful if you've lost your Joy-Con, it's under a pillow or something, and you need to try to find it. You can have it vibrate and make a beeping sound with just this one setting. Now, it works for the Joy-Cons and the Pro Controller for Switch 2, but does not work if you've connected your Switch 1 controllers. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Controllers menu. As you can see here, I have two Joy-Cons connected. If you scroll down to Search for Controllers and select that, then it'll open up this menu. So all you have to do is hover over the controller you want to beep, and then hold down the L or R button, and it'll start to make this sound. If you lost all your controllers and you can't even navigate the menu, you can actually just use the Switch 2's touchscreen to get to this menu and hold down on the controller that you want to vibrate. So hopefully that's enough to help you find your lost controllers. Hope this tutorial was useful, and thanks for watching.